Hey everybody, it's Mike Grace, the Debt Buster. We're here on my homepage right now. I've been waiting the last couple days, gaining up some eaves to try to share with you 3 buying strategies, and we'll take a look at the impact and method for each. The first one we're going to look at is long-term dividend holds. Now, long-term dividend holds are pretty simple. I'm going to go into my portfolio right now, as you can see, and hopefully my connection's a little slow today. We're going to pick up some dividend stocks that I already have planned to max out. I'm going to show you why. One of the things we're looking for with a dividend stock, like Berry here, Berry Pelzer, is an awesome dividend stock, and you'll see why in just a second. Berry I have maxed out along with Chris Voss, and I've maxed out a couple other people that I really like because their dividends are 1.5% or 2%. I will be always shopping for things like that. I've had kind of a rough week. I'm down 877 on my earnings because I haven't reinvested, waiting for you guys to try to give you some information here that you can really use. Berry's profile load. Look at how Berry has been going up and up and up and up consistently. But look at this. This is one of the most important things. Berry's average dividend per share is $2.73. His price is only $2.11. That means he's at about 1.25%. It's not a bad deal. Now you see why I maxed out Berry. Another one, very similar situation. If you look at website to sell here, $117.89 for the share, 1.75 for the dividend, over 1%. That is my minimum. I'm checking Chris Perillo right now, and he currently is lagging a little behind on his dividends, but he'll always catch up. He always does. There are a few other people who I'm looking for. Let me bring here. I have not been able yet, because I am on a lower end scale right now. I'm only a little over a month and a half in to max out some of the ones I want. Here's another good one. Look at this. This is a rebounder. Watch what happened. Hit 38 on August 15th. 67, 69, 71. Probably be back down to 69, but look at his dividends. 87. That's perfect. So I'm going to buy the last 41 shares I can buy in him. I'm going to max him out along with one other person today. See, there we go. Now I've reached my maximum. Please remember, Empire Avenue actions include telling someone something in their shout out. That doesn't mean to buy me back. That's really rude. It's really immature and really unnecessary. It's nice when you're first starting out, but a lot of people are going to buy you back anyway if you're buying and holding them. I'm putting down here, ha ha ha, maxed ya. There. Oops, I missed the X. Let's fix that. Alright. Oh, my X key. Let me change it over to topped out. Topped out, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Here's the other person I plan on maxing out. Now, again, look at the price, $98.55. Look at the dividend, 1.5%. And he constantly is recommending good buys on Facebook. I really, really recommend getting ShockU 77 if you can. Now, see here, I'm going to be hard-pressed to get enough shares, but I'm still going to do it. Let's see, I can buy 123, and that'll cost me roughly a third of what I've got available. So these are my maxed out dividends for the moment. I did it for a reason. You are now topped off. Looking forward to all those great dividends. There. Another one I'm going to max out that I am not going to max out today is Ajax. I'm just about to buy another 50 of Ajax. I'm doing this for a reason. Okay, now I'm putting down one more step towards you being topped off, since my X key is not working. There. Now you've seen me max out 2 and move on forward. The reason you want to max out some is if we go back under the bank, your dividends, look at my daily dividends. Now, I just added a couple $100 to my daily dividends. Mine are $7,426.14 a day. I am consistently adding and adding and adding more dividends to my portfolio and looking for the people who've lagged off or completely dropped out of the game or just so badly screwed up, gone so high up on price and their dividends are like 1/3 or less of their value. I don't want to hold on to that because that's going to affect my investors. So that's where I'm going, and that's what I'm working on. Every day I have added between $200 and $500 in value. And you can kind of see what's happening here. The consistent numbers show 7,426. I've only been around about 45 days, so let's take a look at that real quick. We're going to bring up the calculator here. Here's our calculator. So if I have 7,426.14 and divide that by 45 days, that means I've been adding 165 days dollars a day minimum in dividends to my income. That's what I'm trying to talk to you about. That's where we're at. Pay attention to your notifications. Pay attention to your bank. Do you have any refunds? How much are you earning? Has anyone dropped off? What happens when someone leaves the game? Well, if you have a refund, go find someone who's making you more money than them. Continually add to that. We're going to go to another video in just a minute, and I'm going to show you a specific site I use to look for higher dividend stocks. And then we're going to go through buying newbies, and finally we're going to go through pruning portfolios. So this has been a great time to spend together. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.